एक पानी मछली में गई, छपाक छपाक।
एक पानी मछली में गई।
एक मछली पानी में गई, छपाक छपाक छपाक। इसके साथ नहीं करना, उसकी बात करना है।
एक मछली
पानी में गई,
छप्पक।
Hi guys, this is Diya. This is Kalrav.
This is Kajol.
And this is Rashi. We welcome you to the season 3 of
The Weird and Wise podcast. इसका है।
On this occasion of Women's Day, I would like to wish every fierce, loving and inspiring woman Happy Women's Day.
And the great thing is कि आज सिर्फ Women's Day ही नहीं, it's the first year anniversary of our podcast, guys. Can you believe it?
Also, this is the first time जब हम चारों एक फ्रेम में साथ में है, बिकॉज सीजन 2 में भी लाइक गेस्ट के साथ दो बैठते थे, हम चार एक साथ कभी नहीं आए. सो या
Finally, we are here. So, how do you guys feel इतने टाइम बाद? ऐसे मतलब हमारी बकवास वापस से.
तुम्हारे सामने मुझे गेस्ट से भी ज्यादा नर्वस फील हो रहा है. क्या काउंटर आएगा भाई?
I feel so in sync and empowered today. Like all of us are twinning, wearing pink. Say whatever you want, but I don't care.
I feel हम चारों का फेवरेट कलर इज पिंक बिकॉज
Kind of.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, pink.
I mean,
The
Rashi
only
says
dark
fuchsia
color,
pink.
the
Yeah.
only dark color that Rashi wears.
Yeah.
Otherwise, she's a granny.
Okay, let's talk about the 1 year we spent together. From audio podcast with the transition to video podcast and now season 3. It's been a great journey. Matlab, we learnt a lot of new things. And I feel कि इस पूरे podcast को करते करते all 4 of us have grown a lot closer than before.
And we have had the chance to have conversations in which we learnt a lot about each other. जो ऐसे ही बात randomly करने से नहीं आता था. Like in episodes we are concentrating on certain aspects and we used to dive deeper, and it was not only knowledgeable for the viewers but also for a great insight for us as well.
yeah, and also to take our friendship to another level, like putting it into a professionalism, so it feels good.
And also there has been a lot of character development individually, I feel, because of the podcast.
I agree.
Can you name some character development?
Tanya,
No, but in general
Why
I
are
want
you
to
trying
know.
to be Rashi?
No, I want to know हम सबका.
Please assess us.
Oh my god.
Rashi.
Let's go, Rashi.
Rashi, oh my god.
You said na.
Okay, I feel Diya has become more punctual than before because of the podcast. Kalrav has become more, I guess she was always fluent, but it did not come out that much.
Yeah.
She was like, we did not hear a lot of fluency, I would say, before.
Yes.
Fluency and even opinions.
Opinions.
I
Strong
think Kalrav has
opinions.
grown, थोड़ा outgrown. She has निकली है वो उसके shell से बाहर थोड़ा. I feel.
And
Thank you.
Kajol.
Okay, Kajol.
Kajol, what do you have to say about yourself?
I तो feel I am like the best.
Oh my god, Dilu.
I am going to say something. I feel that
the Solulu.
I feel that she is extremely confident otherwise.
Yeah.
But when we shifted from like the audio version to like the video podcast thing, initially she was a little nervous, but now she is as bold, as fierce, as confident that she is in real life. And I love to see that.
Thank you. And for Rashi, I'll say that season 1 से ही she was the panic button, and season 3 में भी she still is the panic button.
Yeah, I agree.
मतलब not a minute goes by when she won't be poking you कि guys ये करना है, guys ये कैसे होगा.
Randomly कोई भी टाइम पे इतना बड़ा टेक्स्ट लिख देगी राशि. I'm like, क्या है राशि?
9
इतना
बजे
बड़ा
सुबह
बड़ा
सुबह you'll have to read 15-20 lines राशि मैडम ने भेजी है. क्या भेजा है? But apart from that, jokes aside, I'll say that even she has grown more confident in terms of expressing her views, expressing her opinions. पहले बहुत ऐसे टिमिड शाय कि इसको बुरा ना लगे, ऐसे नहीं बोलना. अब आई फील शी हैज ग्रोन अ लिटिल बिट कि वो बोल देती है वट एवर शी इज फीलिंग.
And before she was very worried about posting something and thinking कि whether this will work और इतनी likes मिलेंगी या इसको इतना engagement मिलेगा. अभी वो still है but कम हो गया है, इतना वो tension नहीं लेती, like she lets it go. So I really like that and
Rashi
I think you
and
should you know let it go more. एकदम जाने ही दे भाई.
Rashi
होना
and
है,
her
हो जाएगा.
aesthetics.
And I really feel that I think a lot about the podcast. तो मेरा दिमाग में बहुत सारे vague ideas आते हैं, which I pour down on this woman and she compiles it in a more refined way and फिर वो we discuss
And me and
it.
Mira just sit here like what are they saying?
So पहले ये बताते हैं हम गायब कहाँ हो गए थे. We were missing in action for almost 3 to 4 months, I suppose. Rashi,
So where were
we were living our best lives in Mumbai.
Without me.
We
City
missed you,
of
Diya.
dreams.
Yes, we were building our own dreams, guys.
FOMO rights?
इसको सही में बेचारी की शक्ल देखो यार.
So guys, we were on an internship. Like 3 of us, we went to a advertising agency. Unfortunately, Diya
Diya
couldn't
could not
come,
be there.
and now she'll be going. But we missed you. Trust me. At every instance, we were like, we wish Diya was here. We wish Diya was here.
इन लोग ने इतना मिस किया कि वो मुझे खींचा है मुंबई.
The best day of Mumbai trip was when Madam came
For a weekend, and we did not wanted it to end. Actually,
and the bewakufi she did after the weekend ended.
Let's not talk about that.
Now it's time for
let's
her to miss.
talk about the work that we did, Rashi.
So 3 of us, it was our first time that we were living together, we were working together, we were roaming around the city together.
Cooking together,
together.
grocery
Cleaning
shopping
together.
Yeah,
When our house became tight, I think we were sleeping together.
Shared about that.
I feel, matlab, even though it was a very enhancing experience, a very growing experience, there were a lot of difficulties when it came to the place we were staying, because living in an apartment with 10 other
Oh
girls,
my god.
and that too in a 2 BHK.
yeah, it was very congesting at times, but we learned to adjust, and we were the only ones who were actually cooking वहाँ पे. And it became so कि डेली का ग्रोसरीज लेके आना है, ये करना है, कपड़े कब धुलेंगे, कपड़े कहाँ सूखेंगे.
And the fact that we were youngest among all of them and still we were the most responsible, that was खुद की तारीफ नहीं करनी, but it was the reality, and we were really happy that we were always there for each other at times.
Also, I have एक डाउट है काजोल. Did you cook?
I was the sous chef. I was a very good sous chef.
Yeah,
And I was the hyping sous chef.
वही.
मतलब मैं वो जले हुए आलू अगर कभी गलती से हो भी जाते थे, मैं खुशी खुशी खाती थी.
I still remember मेरे पापा और इनके पापा हमको स्टेशन छोड़ने आए थे, तो they were talking like कि इनको इतना अच्छा अपार्टमेंट में क्यों सेट कर रहे हो, इनको मतलब थोड़े बिना कंफर्ट रहने दो, इनको
It
ऐसे
was
करने दो.
not.
Then my dad said कि ये लोग भले चौल में नहीं रह रहे, ये लोग लग्जरी चौल में रहने वाले हैं, इनको सब खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. एंड उधर जाके हमको जो सरप्राइजेस मिले हैं,
बहुत
उनकी
ज़्यादा.
बात बहुत ज़्यादा सच हो गई थी उस टाइम पे. एंड या
I feel that it is.
Stop.
I feel that it is.
मतलब बस करो अभी.
मेरे को लगा कुछ हो गया कैमरा में.
को बोली
कभी
वो बेचारा उधर stop हो गया.
Sorry Josh.
ओ भाई दिया यार, मुझे लगा कुछ जेन्युइनली हुआ.
Okay, guys, give me some footage. I was going to say something.
हाँ हाँ प्लीज.
So, as cliche as it sounds, but it is the reality कि जितना आप uncomfortable situation में जाओगे, उतना ही आप grow करोगे. अभी हम लोग आसपास देखते हैं, we see people who are more well off than us, who have more things, or more materialistic things in their life. But when we went there, we actually realized कि भाई, we are so fortunate and grateful for the life that we have, and whatever we have, it's all because our parents have worked hard for that privilege, and we're truly blessed. And we also understood both the aspects. If someone is a housewife, if someone is a working woman, if our dads are working in a like handling businesses, हमने वो पूरी life की है, क्योंकि we used to cook together, we used to do our laundry, we used to clean the house, we used to wash utensils, we were working.
We used to order groceries हर साइट पे से देख के कहाँ पे सस्ती मिल रही है, even if it was saving 10 rupees. And that was mostly me and Rashi. We were scrolling to breakfast. अच्छा नींबू इतने क्या, नहीं इस वाले से लेते हैं, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा सस्ता है.
But I really like doing that. Buying groceries was one of my favorite part of the...
So अभी coming back to the podcast, I feel के season 2 was a very great season for all of us because of the kind of guests we had, the conversations we made, the kind of things we learnt, the kind of things we were not aware of, हमें पता नहीं थी ऐसी चीजें, because we had
and by जो support मिला, like everybody was so warm and welcoming.
Yeah,
Honestly,
and the response we got.
not
Honestly,
not
some
just from the
guests-
guests, even from the audience. It was very unexpected. Thank you Jash for हमको pushing us to convert it to video podcast.
And also every
Because,
episode
हाँ.
was like a masterpiece. कि मतलब
Totally.
And
क्या
like
क्या
हाँ, और unexpected लोगों से appreciation मिला, and that was the best part.
Initial feeling was like ये हमको क्यों भाग देंगे भाई? Why will they spare?
Exactly,
why
I
will
was
they do
saying
the
that honestly, we did not even think that some guests that we approached will actually revert back to us, और वो आएंगे और वो इतनी अच्छे तरह से like agree करके आएंगे, which is a really good thing. Like,
What was your favorite episode season 2 से, if you guys had to choose one? I'll choose Kamakhya and Mahol. Kamakhya because it was the most informative episode.
Yes.
And the conversation we had, it was 1 ghanta non-stop. We did not have to put any cuts in between, and it was very raw. And Mahol because it was entertainment on point. I mean, it was like fun.
actually, for me also, even though I was not in the episode, but I loved the Kamakhya episode.
Yeah.
And I have already told this, I've already mentioned this to both of them. Like, I felt like such a proud mother, like the way that they constructed themselves and the way that they were like speaking, and it was just surreal, like honestly. And another episode would be with Drashti, because जब उसकी स्टोरी पता चली कि भाई उसने इतना स्ट्रगल किया and she's not giving up, and being a Gujarati, it is really difficult in this industry because generally our parents don't support like the media industry or content creation. They think it's modeling or whatever. They don't think that it's appropriate. But seeing her hustling every day and getting that recognition, I feel really proud, and love you, Drashti.
I feel mine were same Kamakhya and Mahol, because the Kamakhya episode was really informative and
देखी है तूने?
मैंने देखी है मैंने देखी
Yeah,
है
did you have the patience for it?
Yeah, I do have. मैंने देखी है कामाख्या, because उसमें जो रील्स में जो शॉर्ट इनपुट्स जो दिए थे, उससे मुझे क्यूरियोसिटी हुई, एंड यू नो हाउ क्यूरियस आई एम अबाउट थिंग्स. सो कामाख्या एंड माहौल ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज obviously it was way too fun, and they were really supportive, दो उन्होंने लेट किया था.
Thank you Yashin Pooja.
राशि ने टेक्स्ट किया था.
अरे यार, and I would say कि जो हमारा पहला एपिसोड था सीजन 2 का, that is also very memorable. मतलब of course Kamakhya and Mahol tops the list.
Yeah.
But उसमें what happened at that day was that it was so chaotic.
Very
yet
chaotic.
The output was so
Yes.
satisfying. मतलब हमने 2 लोकेशन बदले थे 1 घंटे पहले में. We were settling the equipment. We were like full उस दिन पूरा
All over the
chaotic था.
place, right?
But it was the first time that we were conversating with someone else, and the conversation was so free flowing, and it was very
And
memorable.
one more thing about podcast, it is so heartwarming that you meet people in real life and just gain that knowledge, experience, and just share experiences. It's just
And
a very fulfilling
and get to know their side of the story and how they are
Yeah,
doing.
because some people were like, we had only seen them screen पे.
Exactly.
We only know them from their social media कि वो क्या काम करते हैं. But to get to know them in person, that was very memorable, I'll say. लेना है.
Relax बैठ जाए क्या?
मैं सही में मैं वो करके बैठ जाऊंगी.
हाँ है ना, ऐसे बैठ जाए ऐसे ऊपर.
मैं तो बैठ जाऊंगी.
लेकिन रोज और गॉसिप नहीं हो सके ना, प्रॉब्लम वही है.
कोई बोलो ना, हम ऐसे थोड़ा इनफॉर्मल बैठ जाए.
मैं तो बैठ रही हूँ.
मैं तुमको कहा आई
Much needed भाई.
देखना था कैमरा पे कि हम कंफर्टेबल हो रहे हैं.
पर मेरा टी-शर्ट ऐसा है इसीलिए ऐसा लग रहा है, बाकी मैं बैठी तो सीधी हूँ.
The real selves, guys.
चलो
वही
ऐसे बैठ जाऊँ मैं,
बैठ जा ना उसमें.
पर मेरा टी-शर्ट कैसा लगेगा?
उतार दे जूते.
इसको वापस करना. वाओ.
रेडी.
देखो गाइस, हम ऐसे गेस्ट के सामने नहीं बैठते हैं, पर
एक दूसरे के वही.
या
ऑल्सो गाइस, एक ट्रिगर पॉइंट करूँ, तुम सबको ट्रिगर करूँ?
करो
तूने अब्रॉड जाने का बोला.
उसका ही बोल रही हूँ, कॉलेज का ही बोल रही हूँ.
oh god, you guys won't believe, ऐसे randomly I am checking my phone, I'm scrolling through Instagram and randomly इन तीनों में से किसी का एक टेक्स्ट आ जाता है, गाइस हिट हो रहा है यार. अरे हर एक लोग अलग अलग टाइम पे करेंगे और एवरी टाइम अलग अलग बीटी लेनी पड़ती है.
मतलब मैंने तो देखो राशि ने स्टार्ट किया कि ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा करेंगे. फिर थोड़े दिन पहले मुझे हिट हो गया, कल रफ को हो गया. मैंने बोला भाई एक टाइम पे हिट करा तू, अलग अलग ट्रॉमा मत दो.
एग्जैक्टली भाई, कोई भी रैंडम टाइम पे ये लोग टेक्स्ट कर देते हैं, यार हिट हो रहा है, अब्रॉड जाएंगे, अलग हो जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे. अरे भाई थोड़ा सा
तेरे को नहीं हो रहा.
अरे
The
बट
guest list
तुम
is
लोग
very,
इतना बीटी दे
very
देते हो ना.
तू एक्सप्रेसिव ही नहीं है तो हम क्या करें दिया.
क्या ही अपनी भड़ास
ये बेचारी है ना, पूरे इसमें एक पूरी चैट पड़ेगी भी नहीं, गेस्ट अपीयरेंस देगी. सेम गाइस सेम. मुझे भी ऐसा हो रहा है. लव यू गाइस. बाय. क्यूट बन के निकल जाएगी बीच में.
हनीमून
मैं पढ़ती हूँ ऐसे पूरा.
बट कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो दो कि हम थर्ड ईयर में, लास्ट ईयर ऑफ बैचलर्स, so that is why all of us are going to part ways. Physically, emotionally, always together.
So one thing that I really feel is that since we entered into this field like 3 years ago, like this is not a very typical or a very conventional field. So it broadened our perspectives to a whole new level.
Agreed.
Matlab, we worked together on so many creative projects. We learned so much. इतना सारा 3 महीने में हमारा जो POV जो सेट हुआ है, I really feel grateful to that. And also आज की डेट में the work that females are doing in different fields is just phenomenal. Like when we were there in Mumbai, like the way we saw the females working there, like working till 3 at night and then managing their homes and then coming back to work and doing that effortlessly and so gracefully. So I would really like to talk about the female entrepreneurs, the female professionals today who are acing in their lives right now.
I remember we both have this thing कि if we find some good campaign no any time, we'll be sharing Instagram पे या WhatsApp पे. And अब इसका तो था ही, अब मेरा भी ऐसे क्या हो गया है, कोई भी चीज़ दिखती है ना, इट बिकम्स अच्छा इसकी मार्केटिंग ऐसे बेटर हो सकती थी, अच्छा ये इसका ऐसे हो सकता था. सो आई थिंक अपना वो चलता रहता है कि वी आर शेयरिंग दिस कैंपेन. जैसे कल परसों ही तूने कुछ भेजा एंड वी टॉक अबाउट इट फॉर आवर्स. ऐसे मतलब बहुत.
So I really feel that अभी जो हमको सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस फील होने लगा है इन द वुमेन फ्रेटर्निटी, इट वाज नॉट देयर बिफोर. नॉट ट्राइंग टू पुल डाउन मेल्स, दे आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ कोर्स. एंड आई रियली फील इस चीज में शी कॉपीज मी अ लॉट. लाइक It is so scary that we have the same ideas, the same choices all the time. We dress up in the same color palette most of the time. We have the same ideas.
That is not me copying you, that is you copying me,
Who
bro.
says it first? Who dresses up first?
Me.
काजल तेरे कलर बोरिंग कब से हो गए?
Oh my god.
She likes earthy tones just to.
तड़कती भड़कती पहनती है वो कपड़े.
But I also am very inclined towards the तड़कता भड़कता segment. तो हफ्ते में बट एक बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि I'm like कि आज मूड नहीं हो रहा है तो कुछ ऐसा लाइट सा उठाता है.
Yeah. Also भाई ये नियॉन कलर भी पहनती है. Disclaimer.
तो I wear good neon, ठीक है.
नहीं पर हमसे मिलने के बाद थोड़ा इसका चॉइस
हाँ, agreed.
भाई कलरव और दिया को दोस्त जो बना लिया.
राशि.
तो anyways लेके तो इसको मैं जा रही हूँ.
पर इधर है तो ये मेरे साथ ही ना.
भाई यार एक साल.
एक साल है फिर तू आ जाएगी ना क्या है.
तो jokes aside, I feel के these brands and everything, this has become kind of my life. अभी ऐसे मैं कुछ भी देख रही हूँ, कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट दिख रहा है, अच्छा इसका ऐसे मार्केटिंग, इसका ऐसे पैकेजिंग. अभी रिसेंटली यू शोड मी दैट वो रिमेंबर वो मैगी वाला दैट ही डिजाइनिंग मैगी का. सो मैं कुछ नहीं करती मैं उसमें, बट नहीं ये ऐसे नहीं, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए. इवन
करूंगी मैं.
we are sending each other ऐसे बहुत सारे campaigns which we both like from different brands. You remember Papa Don't Preach वाला, we were analyzing.
Sabyasachi.
Right,
I was not into fashion that much.
I
but
know.
इसके साथ रह रहे के I have gone into fashion and मेरे साथ रह रहे के she's been driven into other things.
Bro, after like talking to you guys, even I have started like सबका campaign notice करने का. Even like Zomato या किसी और का आता है तो I keep sharing.
I love Zomato. I love Zomato. I have started following Zomato on Instagram just because of their funny and witty comments and stuff. Captions, yeah. Actually,
लिटरली एड देखने लग गए हैं जो बीच बीच में आता है ना, उसको चेंज नहीं करते या स्किप नहीं करते. हम देखते हैं बिलबोर्ड में भी लगा है, 2 मिनट रुक के देखते हैं कि क्या
ये तो हमको सेमेस्टर 1 में बोला था कि प्लीज डोंट स्किप एड्स और हम वही करते थे तो भी. बट अभी एक्चुअली समझ आ रहा है.
फील टू.
Yeah.
और पता है कोई भी रील पॉपअप हो जाए उस पे ना ऐसे इट्स लाइक अ फनी रील तो उस पे जोमेटो का कमेंट होता ही है फॉर सम रीजन, बट इट्स वेरी गुड.
Like as we are talking about this field, let's talk about female entrepreneurships. Like recently I've been obsessed, and obsessed is the correct word, because I'm not only watching like Shark Tank season 3, but मैं season 2 के भी episodes वापस देख रही हूँ या कुछ miss out हो गया तो. It is so inspiring to see so many women from different like एज कैटेगरी, एज नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई तो 22 की ईयर्स की आई थी और एक 50 ईयर्स 60 ईयर्स की भी वुमेन आती है हु आर लाइक रिटायर्ड और उसके बच्चे के बच्चे भी हो गए तो भी दे आर लाइक कि नहीं ड्रिवन कि मुझे कुछ करना है. एंड आई फील दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर वाज अ लेडी, हर ब्रांड इज कॉल्ड पाटिल काकी. सो शी यूज्ड टू सेल लाइक locally like fried and made snacks. चौल में रहते थे और चौल में ही वो सेल करते थे. ओके और उसके बाद उन्होंने धीरे धीरे मार्केटिंग की, मतलब वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से शेयर हुआ वॉट एवर, एंड नाउ इट इज़ अ रियली बिग कंपनी. एंड उसके अंदर ही उनके अंदर 100 वुमेन से उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था. उतनी वुमेन को तो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने एम्प्लॉय भी कर दिया था. तो 80 to 90% इट इज़ एन एंटायर वुमेन ड्रिवन ब्रांड. ऐसा देख के लगता है कि भाई वी आर सो प्रिविलेज, लाइक हम क्या कर रहे हैं डिस्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग लाइक नो सच प्रिविलेज. एंड द मेन थिंग इज कि आप जब इतने एज के हो जाते हो आपको थोड़ी पैशन या मोटिवेशन कुछ रहता भी है, बट द ड्राइव टू डू समथिंग फॉर हर सेल्फ, हर फैमिली एंड फॉर द सोसाइटी is just incredible.
Yeah, and I feel there is no correct age to start.
Correct.
Like even if you're 30 35 you can still study, you can still start up. There's no
Right
specific
age.
Yeah, specific age.
So today even in so many local agencies हो या बड़ी companies हो, कितने सारे companies run with a all women's team. पहले हम देखते थे कि 20% है, 30% है फीमेल वर्कफोर्स टोटल रेशियो उनका, बट आज इतनी सारी कंपनीज है डेकोर में, डिजाइन में, एडवर्टाइजिंग में,
True.
उनका पूरा ऑल वुमेन्स टीम है. सो दैट इज जस्ट टू अनदर लेवल.
Yeah, and I feel women businesses or entrepreneurs, I think they are reaching heights because there are many women, many brands that are women oriented, and they are going on another level, and presence on social media. It gives the recognition to them. So I feel very appreciative towards them.
For example, I would like to share one of my favorite brands, which is like co-founded. Both of the co-founders are women. So the brand is called Vastra. It is Surat based, and recently 2-3 महीने पहले, not 2-3 महीने पहले, थोड़े टाइम पहले, मतलब गणेश चतुर्थी थी. So the actress Shilpa Shetty wore their sari, and even though I don't personally know them, I just know that they live here and they belong to a community. But I felt so proud, and I texted them that, you know what, I didn't even know that will they reply or not, but I just felt that, I feel so proud and extremely like inspired by you, because मैंने देखा है वो journey and where they have reached today, and they are not stopping right now. उन्होंने एक label उसका इतना successful है that they have started another label, and they are just working non-stop. It is very inspiring to me. So yeah, shout out to Vastra.
It was very refreshing to be back चारों एकदम साथ में. And we have a very great lineup for all of you guys for season 3. So keep listening and watching the Weird and Wise podcast.